Okay, so just note we're supposed to round to 2 decimal places when we solve these problems. We have to find the circumference. Okay, so let's use the formula circumference equals diameter times pi. So all we have to do is substitute information. We don't know the circumference, that's what we're trying to find out. We are given the diameter, and it's 36 feet. So 36 multiplied by pi, and it's probably a good idea to get a calculator out. So 36 times pi equals 113.097. We have to round to 2 decimal places, so 113.097. Okay, to 2 decimal places, remember, so that's here. This is a big number, so this has to go up to 10. So, like this. And so the answer is 113.10. So the answer is 113.10 to 2 decimal places. What's the unit of measurement? It's feet. And that's the final answer. For this one, we've got a formula, circumference equals diameter times pi. In this case, we only have the radius, so we need to double. We need to get the other. We need to double the radius, right? So that's 15. So the diameter is that plus that is 2 radiuses. The diameter is 2 radiuses. Okay, 2 radiuses. So 15 plus 15 is 30. So substitute is 30 times pi. Now we need to use our calculator. Go 30 times pi, and we get 94.247. 94.247. We have to round off to 2 decimal places. This is a big number, so this goes up to 5. So the final answer is 94.25. What's the unit of measurement? Meters, and that's the final answer. For this one, let's use our formula circumference equals diameter times pi. So let's substitute. We do have the diameter, it's 12, and we have to multiply that by pi. Okay, so we're pretty much ready to go. Let's use our calculator. So we have 12 times pi, and that equals, okay, 37.699. Let's write that out, 37.699. We have to round, of course, to 2 decimal places, so let's do that. This is the digit that may get changed, at the very least. This number is a big number, so this has to go to 10. Okay, so that becomes a 0. And this becomes 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so the final answer is 37.70. And we're dealing in inches. And so that is the final answer.